Masz ochotę na jajka w koszulkach, ale nie wiesz, jak je zrobić? Nic prostszego. Dzisiaj pokażę najłatwiejszy sposób bez użycia octu. Right. All you need are these silicone egg poachers. You can get them from most supermarkets. Apply oil and wait for your water to boil. Once your water boils, crack the eggs and pour one per poacher. Transfer to the boiling water. Cover the pot and wait for about 6 to 9 minutes. Well, the wait time is dependent on how done you want your eggs to be. And that's it. Your poached egg is ready. Now the fun part. Flip them on a plate and prepare as you want. As you can see, I'm being creative with mine here. I'm preparing a toast with vegetables and the sauce that I made earlier. If you'd like to have the recipe, please do check out the description box. Smacznego!